Well, we're back. Cooking with Judd. And although this is more of a product review, Mama Mary's gluten-free pizza crusts. And they're not thin, they're actually pretty thick relative to the tortilla pizzas I usually do. And here you can read the microscopic directions if you got a magnifying glass. And you brush with olive oil, which I have just done. I'm doing just up a single one, see how it comes out. And you can see it's a good 3/16 of an inch thick. I'm going to top it with my usual stuff. My Regu quick sauce pizza traditional and some pepperoni and some cheddar cheese. We'll throw that in and bake it at 425 or 430 if your oven will not do 425. It only goes in 10s for 10 minutes and then we'll see how that comes. It also says leave it in a little longer till the edges are golden brown for a crispier crust. So guess where I'm going. So we'll see in a little bit, see how that comes out. Okay, here's what we're looking like at 10 minutes. I went 10 minutes instead of the 8. Said 8 to 10. And it's smelling good. It's looking pretty good, but you know, it's always in the taste. Well, in cutting it, I can already tell you one thing. It's very, very wet. Probably from brushing the crust with oil and the pepperoni. So it's very, very greasy at this point. So I'm going to stick it back in for a couple minutes. Okay, this is plus 3 or 4 minutes, plus 4 minutes. I still think my tortilla pizza is going to come out best. Crust isn't that sloppy. Oh. Okay, nice crust. If I could get it crispier without burning it, that might be good. It's actually a pretty neat crust. I'll have to work on that again Sunday for the game. I just finished up and it was good, but I will stand that my tortilla pizza is better. Although, you know, some people who like a different type of crust might like this. It was quite edible, had a unique taste to it, and some texture. But I've got more of that than pizza in my mouth. So there you go, that's my verdict. Happy day to you.